When a crane collapses on a New York City construction site or street, the injuries are rarely minor. We're talking about crushed limbs, traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord damage, internal bleeding, and lives changed in a single second. As an attorney handling crane collapse catastrophic injury cases right here in New York City, I know what it takes to hold the right parties accountable. Crane collapses don't just happen. Behind every one of them, there's a cause. Improper assembly, skipped inspections, overloaded booms, defective parts, high winds ignored by a site supervisor, unlicensed operators. New York labor law sections 240 and 241 give injured workers powerful protections, and visitors or pedestrians struck by falling cranes have strong claims under general negligence and city building codes. I investigate fast. Cranes get dismantled, parts disappear, and witnesses scatter. We bring in engineers, crane experts, and OSHA specialists to preserve evidence and pinpoint every liable party, from the general contractor to the crane company to the equipment manufacturer. Catastrophic injuries mean lifelong medical care, lost earning capacity, and pain that doesn't end when the news cycle does. Your recovery should reflect that. If you or a loved one was hurt in a crane collapse in New York City, call my office today. The clock is already running.